So this is the old homestead of my uncle's. That's on my great uncle's property, which is now my property, my husband's property. And he had a well, and it was just not like a drilled well kind of thing. So we had a guy come today and look at the old well, and he's going to take out the old tile, like the metal tiles that were in the ground, and he's going to put in some cement. I'm not sure if they're well tiles or if they're manhole tiles, but yeah, he's supposed to come with a backhoe and some gravel and start working on it today. Yay! So as you can see, there's the old cabin, and it's quite a drop down. I don't know if you can see that gorge, but it's quite a drop down. This laneway is quite steep. I don't want to take the avalanche down here in case I can't get out the laneway for some reason at the bottom. But don't know if you can see how steep that is, but with technology today, there's a pump that can pump it up this hill. So someone has put this in the wrong spot. This was the last owner, and you see it's just yucky water in there. I don't know if you can see in the middle of that. Can you see the old underneath the water? That's the old tile. So the guy is going to come and take that out, dig this area all up, and yeah, hopefully we'll have good clean water. This is water that my great uncle drank and my uncle drank, so it should be okay. And with filters and whatever today we have, it should be good. So the little excavator's in here, and he's tried to hawk out the other culvert. He is just making a spillway, getting rid of all the water that was sitting there. So the excavator today has made the ditch there to let the water go. You can hear there's quite a bit of water. And then you see there, that's the old culvert, really old culvert, that was completely covered in water. You couldn't even see it under the water. And then about here was where someone had put in a culvert, but they just put it in the springtime and just pushed it into the mud. Well, of course it just filled up with mud and it's no good. But you can see water. Where are we? You can see water right about there flowing. And you can hear it trickling out of, because he has to have this drained, because you can't have the water here, but it looks like it's coming in as fast as it. So I think this is where he's going to put the cement culvert, and he's hoping that this water will all go out, and by tomorrow this will be empty, and then he'll place the culverts on top of each other. Not culverts, like manholes or whatever, the cement ones here. And then what you do is you dam the water back off, and there'd be an inlet and an outlet, so then the water that's coming down would go in one side and out the other as an overflow, I think. So that's the progress today. There's lots of water. Can you see it running there? There's quite a flow.
Starting to dig the well. That's a ditch that he dug to drain the well site until we get the well put in. Lots of water anyway. It's muddy now because he's working up there, but it'll clear up.